Hey guys, so I did want to update you guys on NIO. It is I do we are still looking pretty bullish on day chart. And it doesn't seem like we're losing too much traction, but on the 4 hours, we are looking like the MACD is about to cross over into bearish territory. So, and we haven't left this this 38 $40 range. So we might, maybe, it depends how small the sell-off is. I mean, last time that we actually did this, we only sold off about $3. So I do think if we cross, I do think we might go back down to like the $38 level. But I think after, if we do hit the $38 level, I do think we're gonna create that floor. We might see, and I think the $38 might actually hit today. So if we do go back to 38 bucks, like 38.76, I do think that might be the new floor. And then I think that everybody should just buy that dip. I don't know if it's gonna go over under $38 anymore. I really think that's gonna be the floor, especially with the Biden win. It's kind of it's kind of in good. We can assume that all EVs are gonna be pretty fantastic for the next couple of years. Um, if we do cross, I do see us having a red day tomorrow on NIO and possibly hitting, like I said, the $38 or maybe even 35. That's pushing it. But anything that we do, at 38 or 35, I definitely think it's a buy-in, and because sentiment is still strong on the day chart. So I do think that it might drop to 38, 35 if everything stays consistent. But if there's like something fundamentally that comes out, there's like news that's like, oh, NIO, Hertz is buying like 100,000 NIO vehicles, right? Then obviously the TA is completely gone, right? But yeah, as of right now, levels to buy, I think the next level to purchase NIO, that's gonna be at around the $38.76 level, and then possibly if we keep dropping, the next level to buy is gonna be $35.84 or around $35. Like as soon as you hit $35, it would be a really good time to buy. See you later, guys.